Imagine a world governed by the slow rhythm of nature, suddenly jolted into the relentless, mechanical pace of the machine. This was the Industrial Revolution, a monumental turning point that would redefine humanity's relationship with the world forever. It began with steam. James Watt's improvements to the steam engine provided a new, tireless source of power that fueled progress. Before this era, most production happened at home. Textiles were spun by hand in small cottages, a slow and personal process. But soon, massive mills hummed with mechanized looms, churning out goods at a scale and speed never before imagined. As factories grew, so did the need for labor, sparking a massive migration from the quiet countryside into the growing cities. Quiet villages transformed into dense, smoky industrial hubs. Urbanization was rapid, messy, and entirely irreversible. A new middle class of industrialist factory owners emerged, wielding unprecedented wealth and influence over the new economy. Yet, for many, life was marked by cramped conditions and grueling hours in the shadows of the rising factory stacks. Then came the Iron Horse. Steam locomotives shortened distances, connecting distant towns and speeding up the flow of vital resources. On the oceans, steamships defied the winds and tides, turning the entire globe into a single, interconnected marketplace. Global trade accelerated as raw materials and finished products crossed continents with newfound machine-driven efficiency. The technologies of the 18th century paved the way for the high-tech, automated, and digital world we inhabit today. The Industrial Revolution wasn't just about machines, it was the birth of the modern world as we know it. From steam to silicon, we continue to build upon a legacy of innovation that drives us toward the future.